What's going on, guys? Emily with MarineMax Nisswa. We just got in a winter white boat, perfect for this month. That's gonna look really nice on the water. 2026 Premier 230 Solaris with a 250 Verado. Beautiful boat. It's already got the Vantage pontoon guard already installed on here. We have this lighted ski tow bar, RGB lights, so you can change the colors to whatever you'd like on here. Walking onto this boat, it's an RF layout, so plenty of room. Come hang out with all your friends. You have your nice cockpit table here already installed. I like that they added armrests for 2026 in the back and the front of this boat. Walking up to the middle, co-captain seat, and of course, Premier does a really nice job with a very large backrest and an elevated captain's helm. We equipped this boat with the dual SIMRAD screen. All new this year is Wet Sounds audio. Really nice speaker system in here. They also decided to add pop-up table right at the co-captain seat. This is really nice. If you're the co-captain, you're in charge of bringing all the snacks for the day. We have a really large ski locker in here. So if you got bags, towels, life jackets, go ahead, throw them in here. Also, really nice spot for the trash can. Open this up, paper towel holder, and your trash. Coming into the bow of the boat, again, you have armrests, new for this year. Also, this is all Cool Feel vinyl, and you also have really nice printed accessories. Come see this boat today at MarineMax Nisswa. Let's wrap it up for you for Christmas.